In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit money into Wise Malaysia. By the end, you'll feel confident adding funds to your Wise balance in Malaysian ringgit using just your phone. Start by opening the Wise app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into the correct account and that your app is up to date so everything looks as expected. From the home screen, look for the option to add funds and tap Add Money. This is where you begin setting up your deposit. Enter the amount you want to add. Take a moment to check that you have enough in your bank to cover the transfer and any fees shown by Wise. If you're planning a larger amount, you may want to confirm your bank's transfer limits ahead of time so there are no surprises. Next, select the currency you want to add. Type MIR and select it so you're adding Malaysian ringgit to your MIR balance. Choosing the correct currency here is important. It ensures you're using a local transfer route and helps avoid unnecessary conversion fees. Tap Continue. You'll now see the exact bank details Wise provides for this top-up. These details are what you'll use to send a bank transfer from your own Malaysian bank. Take a moment to review any notes on fees and the estimated arrival time so your expectations are set. Copy the bank details carefully. This usually includes the account name, bank name, and account number provided by Wise for MIR transfers. If you see any specific instruction or reference in the app, make sure to note it exactly as shown. Accuracy matters here. Even a small typo can delay your deposit. Using your usual banking app or online banking, make a standard local transfer to those copied details. Paste them in to avoid mistakes, confirm that the account name matches what Wise shows, and send the transfer from a bank account in your own name. If your bank supports instant transfers, your funds may arrive faster, though some transfers can still take a little time depending on the bank. Once you've completed the transfer on your bank side, return to Wise and tap I've made my bank transfer. This step lets Wise know the money is on the way and helps the system track your deposit. Keep your bank receipt or confirmation until the funds appear in your Wise balance. You'll usually get a notification when the money lands, and you can track progress in the activity or home screen. If it's taking longer than the estimate shown in the app, double check the details you used and the status with your bank. That's it. Simple, clear, and secure. Thanks for watching, and happy transferring.